What's going on, guys? It's your boy Edwin here once again, and we're back with another training for beginners video. People mainly ask me, what do we do? How do we trade? How can I get started into trading? What are the basics of it? And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and let's get started. Yo, what's up, guys? So like I was saying, we're gonna do a basic training video for brand new people getting into this market. I decided to start with a really simple topic called either supply demand, support resistance, key zones, key levels, whatever you guys want to call it. But I'm gonna break it down to you on a really simple level, on a level that no matter how new you're to the market, you're going to be able to grasp it and understand everything that I'm going to be telling you, right? So let's get it simple and let's get it started. So let's break it down really quick. We have a house, right? Let me draw a house right here. I'll draw two houses and I'm explaining you why. But the first one is gonna be this one right here. We have a tennis ball, right? Let's say we have a tennis ball right here. We have a tennis ball and we're gonna bounce it around the house, right? What's gonna happen is this, right? Once you drop the tennis ball to the floor, it's going to bounce up, right? And once you throw the tennis ball to the ceiling or the roof, it's going to bounce down, right? And this is literally how the market works. The market doesn't move sideways, doesn't move backwards. The market just moves up and down. So how do you make money in the market? You make money in the market by finding where it is that these points right here are. Where it is that these points where the market bounce from it are. What's gonna happen is that, let's say we have the tennis ball on the second floor, right? And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw it to a ceiling. It's gonna come down easy. We're gonna throw it here. It's gonna go up because it's the floor. What if I throw it super hard? It breaks the roof. Now it's going to bounce here and keep going up. These are just zones, right? These three green things that I'm gonna show you right here, they're just zones that are right there for you to make the most money off it. Either it's bouncing from it or it's bouncing it, breaking it, and bouncing on the next one, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like in the real market. Let's start from here, right? Let me look for something. Let's say this right here. This zone right here, this can be a support resistance zone, right? This zone right here. I'll mark it down for you. I'll mark it for you. Perfect, that's right there. Why do I say that zone right there is a support resistance zone, supply demand zone, key level zone, whatever you want to call it? It's because if you look at the draw that I did, you can get the video back if you want. It was always just bouncing, right? Either here coming down, here breaking and coming above, or here coming up, or breaking and coming down. That's literally what it was. So now if you can see right here, it came here, it bounced once, you make money. Bounced twice, you make money. The third time it broke the third time, right? It's not doing this anymore because it broke it. So now we're expecting it to come back around and now sell. And what happened? It did the same exact thing I was talking to you about. Came here, came down. Now comes here, bounce, perfect. You make money twice already there. Now here, what happened? Came, it broke, right? It didn't bounce, it broke it. And what it did, it came here, and now it bounced all the way up. So can you just bounce off it? Simple. or break and then bounce off it again. It is that simple. It's either gonna be going down or going up. And I'm gonna just bring you more examples here and show you that this is not something that I got prepared. This is not something that I recorded 100 million times. This is something that happens all the time within the market. Matter of fact, I can literally just take this down here, and this is something that I'm kind of just not bragging, but I just want to show you how it works. I can take this zone right here, right? And I can take this other zone because this is also support resistance zone. This is also a key level zone. You see how it bounced from here multiple times? Look, it bounced just in a matter of a couple of days. It bounced once, twice, 3, 4 times. I'm gonna take this as far as it goes just to show you that it works no matter if it's today, if it's tomorrow, if it's in a month, if it's in 3 years. I can take this back around, right? And you see how I respect this level. Look, respect this level here, came here, bounce, broke, now it bounced off. The same thing that happened here happened here. Same exact thing. Now, the same thing that happened here happened here. Look, it bounced, broke above, came, bounce again, make money, make money. It is that simple. So let's keep watching. Look, here, what did it do? It was bouncing, broke, bounce off it, make money, bounce off it, make money, came here, broke, bounce off it. It can only do 2 things, and I'm gonna show you these really simple, right? Let's go to a time of the past, right? Let's say January 2020. This is my birthday. The market broke, right? You see how you know it broke? Because here, as soon as it broke it, it bounced off, so it didn't really break. But now, at this point right here, it broke, it bounced off here, so now you know it's gonna go down, right? So as soon as it goes down, there is things that we can do, and I'm gonna break over again. I'm gonna break it down. It's here gonna come here, break and bounce down, right? You know it broke, bounce down, because I know it's not gonna bounce up anymore. It already did retest, so it did exactly this, right? Come here, bounce here. Now we're in profit. Right now we're making money. It came here again, bounced down, simple. Now, all right, it touched here. What can happen? What can happen? Simple. It's gonna happen one of these 2 things. It's either gonna come here, or it's gonna go ahead and break and bounce from there. Let's see. It broke it. So now we're waiting for this to bounce. I can bet money. I can literally say, look guys, this is gonna be my stop loss right here, right? And let's say I might take profit right here. And let's see what happens. Simple. I'm telling you, this is simple, guys. I wish I had more time to explain you this, but I'm gonna be doing tons of videos for you. I'm gonna be showing you how it is that I became a full-time trader within this market on just a few months, going up to multiple years already doing this, guys. I appreciate y'all. Please, if you like the video, if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, just give me a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.